Hello, my name is Tina. I am head of design of Victoria Designs. And if you're watching this, it means we're launching something very special, a new mega project pack. Now, what exactly is a Victoria Designs mega project pack? Well, as you know, we create printable crafting graphics, so labels, tags, paper packs, chunk journal kits, and tons of other goodies that you can use in your crafting projects. We currently have more than 1,600 products in our shop. That's quite a selection, but perhaps also a bit overwhelming. So what exactly to make, how to combine, and how do I find the designs that fit together? And that's exactly why we've created these mega project packs. A Victoria Designs Mega Project Pack is a complete collection with all the designs you need to finish a very beautiful crafting project. Every single page you need is in there, with a whole range of options to choose from to truly make it yours. We also provide detailed and easy to follow tutorials so you can follow along and have no doubt on how to make this project. Does this sound good to you? Let's see what our newest Mega Project Pack is all about. And here it is, the Alice in Wonderland Chunk Journal Mega Project Pack. This beautiful pack is all about Alice living in her magical wonderland. The pack contains 98 full-color printables and 14 templates. You might recognize the model, so the shape of this mega project pack, because it is about the same as the model of the ephemera file folders project pack that we launched a few years ago, but the designs are completely different. In this video I will show you exactly which printables you will receive when you purchase this mega project pack. The tutorial for this pack will be in a separate video, the link is below. This Alice in Wonderland Mega Project Pack is now for sale in our shop, so if you cannot wait to start crafting, the link is below as well. And now let me show you those printables. Let me show you the printables that are in our Alice in Wonderland Mega Project Pack. We included a table of contents so you can find the right printables very easy. All the file names also have these page numbers included. And we have two types of sheets in this Mega Project Pack. Full prints with a lot of color and also templates. For some items it's handy to also have a template, so you can use other printables for that as well. For example, here for these files we also have a template. And in total we have 98 full print pages. And it starts with the journal pages. Now, I also included all the journal pages in full size because this journal is very, very small. It's like this. And that's very cute to make, but you might also like the journal pages to be large if you like later on to make a large journal with these printables. So I'm going to show you the small ones because I needed to print them for my tutorial, but you also have all these in a full letter size, so 8.5 by 11 inch size in full quality. Okay, so we have those, and then we also have, let me explain this to you, we also have all the journal pages a bit wider than this if you don't use the file folders. If you don't like to use the file folder system that I use in the tutorial, then it might be easier to use these. These are a little bit wider, you know, and these are the ones that I printed. There's only 12 pages because I couldn't fit 2 on a page. Yay! And yeah, I'm gonna show you these. So these are the journal pages. Oh yeah, and I already printed all the journal pages in another order on the back at 102%. So these are printed 100% and these are printed 102%. So when you cut these out, you have a lot less chance that the printer shifts a little bit and you have a wide edge. So, but I'm going to show you the fronts because these are all the images. And I printed these on 80 grams paper, the normal paper. So this, I love this so much. You have a bit of red here, a lot of quotes, just gonna get through these. And like we usually do, is we have some really filled journal pages, but we also have some journal pages that are not so filled or hardly have anything on them. So you can choose which ones you like to use best. Oh, you're almost in Wonderland when you look at these. So there are 24 journal pages, by the way. And these are them. So these are the 24 journal pages you just saw. And then we have 8 papers, like a regular paper pack. I'm gonna quickly show them to you as well. So we have really full ones with lots of detail. Also some with just some basic patterns here. Teacups and watches. I love this one. With scenes from the book. And as you can see, some of the papers are a bit larger than the other ones. So this is a bit larger, and I put it on the setting of, I don't know, 100%, I think, to fill the page as much as possible. It might be that I put it on 104% or something. But then some of the details will get lost on the sides. And for a page like this is quite okay. But for some pages, if you lose some details here, parts of the cards will get off. So this one, for example, I printed on fit to page, and that translated in, I think, about 95% or 94%. Then the paper is a bit smaller, but it completely fits on your page, and you can really play with this. I really love this one. Okay. And here, it's like literally the rabbit hole here. Let me show you. This is the full size, but I also printed it a lot smaller because I want this to be on the cover of my journal. And if my cover is really small, so if I would have used this, I would see this on my cover, about. And that can be great, but I wanted a lot to be shown on the cover. So I printed it a lot smaller. I think I used 6.5 high. So this way I can use most of it for my cover. And then we have a lot of file folders. Now I only printed a few that I'm going to use in my journal, but there are a lot more. So like this. And they all have a tab in another place. And there's 2 the same next to each other. So we have a tab here, here, and here. So you can actually see the tabs. And obviously the other side is turned around, because otherwise it would be upside down. This. And on the back side, I printed one of the papers to make sure it's not really white. You can print on the back side actually an old paper that you can find on the internet as well. Okay, and we also have more file folder designs in this kit as well. I didn't print them, but they will show on the screen. And we also have some pockets and cards for in a few file folders if you like. Here are 2 designs. There's another design as well, by the way. Yeah, these are the ones I'm going to use. And then we have 13 pages of embellishments. I'm just going to flip through them. There's a lot going on here. A lot of Alice. There. And I also printed these on sturdy paper as well. Very, very grungy. I like it. So, and then we have also some envelopes. This is one. And there's another design as well. And there's also a back design that I put here on the back. You can use this as a kind of paper as well if you like. And then there are also 3 sizes of boxes, and in those boxes fit the file folders that you saw earlier perfectly. And with sizes of boxes, I mean there's one that is 2 inches deep if you don't have a lot of file folders. There's one that is 3 inches deep, and there's also one that's 4¼ inch deep, and I'm going to show you in the tutorial at the end how this works and why that is. But each of the boxes has kind of the same components, only the design is a bit different. So this is the largest box that I'm going to make, the base, the sides of the base, the panels. And then we also have a little notebook that will also fit in the journal. And there are larger pages and smaller pages, and if you cut out the small pages, you won't have any white edges this way. At last, there's also one template that doesn't have a full print version because it's not necessary, and this is a hinge. This is actually the hinge we're going to use in the journal, and I printed it on sturdy paper as well. Sturdy, I mean not too sturdy. I think this is 160 as well. This is to help you find where the holes should come in your signatures. There, and that's what's in our Alice in Wonderland Mega project pack. I hope you are now very much inspired to start crafting. If you want some more information, you are very welcome to discover this mega project pack in our shop, and I wish you a very crafty day.